Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I decided to go ahead and pull another melting basket. So this is what is left over from my melting basket from before, or you know, these are the only ones that I didn't touch. If you just saw my warm reviews, then you know that I got through some, but I didn't finish everything. But this is all I have left in my melting basket from before. So I'm using my cute little pom-pom basket again. I don't know if everything's gonna fit in there, but I said I wouldn't pull any more that could fit in that basket, but I feel like since I'm going through the scents a little bit faster, I can pull a little bit more and maybe get through some stuff faster. So what I pulled is, I tried to pull some VCS that was a little bit older. This is Afternoon Petitfours. I'm trying to remember, oh yeah, I do have a scent description. Hey! Blackberry jam, butter cookie, and lemon curd. She has a blend with this, and I'm trying to remember what it is. Is it Saturday Afternoon Petitfours? It's got the zucchini bread in it. I actually really like that one better than just straight Afternoon Petitfours, but at the time I just bought it because I knew I liked the scent mixed, so I thought I could mix it myself, whatever. I grabbed Sunset Beach, which I think I had in a previous melting basket, but I never got to it. This is blackberry jam butter cookies, vanilla waffle cone, beach nights, and marshmallow. This one just sounds like a good one, like to go, oh, that one smells good. I love her beach nights scent. I haven't warmed out a beach night scent in a while, so that'll be nice. Wanted to grab, this one sounds really good. Peanut butter and jelly cupcakes. I don't know, I thought this in the kitchen would be really good. I was just kind of craving this one. I saw it and I was like, you know what, let's grab that. I think I got that one out of a D-stash actually. Breaking Violet. I have like 4 of these that I need to break into, or I wasn't meaning to say breaking and then break, but let's see, do I have a scent description for this? I think this is Parma Violets from Lush. It smells a lot like Lush to me. It smells exactly like a Lush store. It actually smells really good. I was thinking of maybe mixing it with something bakery. It smells like a bath bomb, like a straight up bath bomb. And maybe Parma Violet smells like that. I have no idea. Okay, I did grab some sugar and spice because even though I don't want to warm my sugar and spice, it is getting older and I don't want it to go bad because I love sugar and spice so much. But it's time to just face the music here. Either she's gonna reopen back up or she's not. So vanilla bean nectarine I grabbed, and then hazelnut espresso. I have so many favorites from her and I love that you can mix. I would place an order with her in a heartbeat, even though I have plenty of wax. I would not hesitate. Amazing Grace cream soda. Vanilla sugar waffle cone. I feel like I got this to mix with something. Maybe I got some lemon curd from her. Maybe that's what I was trying to do. I don't remember. Warm sugar cookies. I wanted to try some of that. I really wish she would open back up. She honestly has some of the best scents. And then Snuggle warm vanilla sugar. I thought this would be good for like a bedroom melt. So there's that. Okay, and then my sweet friend Lauren sent me some samples of Sassy Girl Aroma, and I have just been in the mood to really like get down with these. So I have Tears of Joy, which is cotton candy, chocolate orchid, pink chiffon, Cupcakes at Tiffany's. This smells amazing. I just hope it doesn't make me want to go like purchase these. Pretzel stand. She was so sweet. I had wanted to try this one and she knew that I wanted to try it, and she had some pretzels, vanilla bourbon sauce, and sugar cookie. That just sounds so good, doesn't it? Oh, it smells doughy like pretzels. Oh my gosh, that smells amazing. I can't wait to warm that. Let's put these over here. I have some more from her too, but it's kind of, if they're buried in here, I'll get to them. I grabbed this Goodnight Moon from Rose Girls. This is pink peppermint, lavender, and birthday cake. I have about that much left. I'll probably just try to warm it throughout the house one day. Yeah, this is more peppermint to me. I actually like that. This one would be a good, you know, I might warm this one tonight. I'm going to try to warm this one tonight, actually. I'm going to warm it throughout the entire house and just get the bag finished, or maybe over 2 nights. Oh, here's another one from Lauren. This is Florida Citrus Whipped Cream Birthday Cake. I don't think it has a name, but that one just sounded nice since we're having all this cold weather. I have Strawberry Lemon Wackadoodle from Rose Girls. Jenny asked a question in her group the other day from her about her Mario melts, and she was asking people how the warming was going with the Mario melts, and people were saying that they were getting a decent throw. So I was like, you know what, I need to stop hoarding and start using stuff that I got ages ago. So this is Raspberry Zen. This is Tangy Raspberry Sauce Spa Inspired Musk Smooth Vanilla with Floral. And then I have Misery, which is pie crust and leaves. I didn't read it for a second. Okay, and then I have Little Mermaid from, this is also a gift from Lauren, thank you. Mac Apple Cotton Candy Salty Sea Air and Whipped Cream. That one sounded nice as well. So adding back in the strawberry milkshake, I'm going to try to finish those 2 wafers or whatever she calls them. I have 1 thing of Susan. I'm going to try that one again. If you saw my warm reviews. Okay, so Minerva I'm going to mix with strawberry jam and try that to see if I like it a little bit better. I think strawberry jam. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see. And then I'm also going to mix strawberry jam with the almond just to see if I can get, you know, something, you know, one of her blends. I don't think she does strawberry jam and almond. I know she does strawberry jam. Doesn't she do strawberry jam and Jaws? I don't know. That'd probably be really good too. But I think she does do like a strawberry with Jaws. Okay, and then I have Sassy Girl Aroma Apricot Marshmallow Whipped Cream Birthday Cake. So she gave me that. And then, okay, I'm throwing back in the Mind Reader because I have a Deluxe Blossom Bag in this, so I have quite a bit. I need to warm through that. Oh, let's see, I'm running out of room here. I'm just going to set this over here. And then I'm going to keep going through Coffee with Friends. For clamshells, I'm going to do Strawberry Hearts from the Bathing Garden. I feel like I've had this one for quite a while. It's probably from like maybe 2 Valentines ago. I got it from a D-stash and the clamshells just starting to look a little bit old. Even though I have old clamshells, they always do pretty well for me anyways. Harkness, which is, I think I've warmed this before and I really like it. Black pepper, lemon curd, and marshmallow fluff. I don't know why I like this one so much, but I really do. Oh, man. I need to warm it again, though, to see if my nose is still the same. So then I grabbed the wardrobe again. I have 3 cubes of that. I can warm it in the living room again. Outlander, which I talked about before, not loving that one, but it's okay. Stranger Things, love. And then I'm going to keep working through... Oh. We're going to keep working through Jackie O's Post and this Boogie Woogie Bugle Boy. I'm going to keep mixing it with like bakery type scents just to kind of tone down that scent because it's lemon, blueberry, meringue pie, lemon curd, marshmallow. And then I have this little bit of Carnival of Souls and I really like this scent. It's getting a little bit old, so I don't want to hang around till next year. Cider Donuts, Pumpkin Cheesecake, Marshmallow Fireside. This one is really good. And then I'm probably one of the few people that doesn't like Vanilla Strawberry Noel. I don't know why. Maybe I just need to warm it again to see why I don't, but I mean, it's okay. It smells good. Like, I like it, but it's not, like, I feel like people go crazy for it, and I'm just not one of those people that goes nuts for it. Yeah, so there's that. Okay, so that's what I have for the, I guess, the week. I don't know. We'll see how fast I warm through this. Just, I feel like I warmed through my other basket so quickly that I was like, you know what? Let's just keep going with this. This is working for you. Okay, so I will see you guys in my next video. If you see anything here that intrigues you, let me know, and I'll pay extra close attention to it when I'm warming it. But other than that, I can't wait to get into this melting basket. I feel like, yeah, I'm excited to warm it up. Okay, we'll see you guys in the next video. I'll talk to you later. Have a great week, you guys. Bye.